Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what's in my makeup travel bag. I haven't done this video in years. I want to say like 2 years, maybe 1 year, I don't know. But the products have definitely changed from that past video. And since I am going to be traveling to LA, I thought I'd share with you guys the makeup products that I'm going to be bringing. This is the makeup that I love right now for the moment, or for the most part. This is makeup that I trust and that I live by. So yeah, if you guys want to see what is in my makeup travel bag, then let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started into the video though, if you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, please subscribe in the link below. Also, don't forget to turn on that post notification bell right next to it so YouTube will alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started into what's in my makeup travel bag. So for the moment, I use this right here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. I've had this bag for so many years, and today I decided to go in with this one because I'm going to be packing brushes, but I'm not going to be mentioning brushes in today's video. But if you guys want to see a favorite eye and face brushes, or like my go-to affordable brushes, let me know. So for the most part, I always like to take a lot of foundations, or not even a lot of foundations, but I like to have options when it comes to foundations or like tinted moisturizers and stuff like that. So I am taking 3. So the first one is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Pro Matte Foundation. If you guys have been following me, and if you guys have seen my other what's in my makeup travel bag videos, then you guys know that this is a holy grail foundation for me, as well as the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place. So these are more long-lasting foundations. Let's say I'm gonna go to an event and I want my makeup to last a really long time, or let's say I want a more comfortable matte finish, then I gravitate towards this. It really just depends, but I really like these two. If you're looking for a good mattifying foundation from the drugstore, something that's just going to last a really long time, it's going to blur your imperfections and just like beautiful throughout the day, the L'Oreal one is basically a dupe for this one, or not, I wouldn't say a dupe, but they're both pretty much identical. So I do take these two just to have options. This one, the shade is a little bit darker on me, so that's why I take both. Another one that's really good from the drugstore is the e.l.f. Flawless one, but I am not going to be taking this one today. And then I'm also going to be taking these two. So this one, I already have a review up on my channel. This is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Full Coverage Foundation. I just reviewed it in case you're interested. I tried this out for the very first time, and I can definitely say that this made it into my makeup travel bag. I still want to continue to use it, maybe mix it in with other foundations, but right now it is the foundation that is on my skin. Like I said, there is a review already in case you're interested, but I really like it. Like I really like it. So that's why this made it into my travel bag. And then I'm also taking the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. The reason why I'm taking this one, and if you guys saw my review, this is not as long lasting on my skin, but the reason why I'm taking it is because on my way back from LA, I just want to apply something very lightweight. If I don't really want to wear makeup wherever I'm going to be at, and I just want something to even out my skin tone for like a couple of hours, then this is the best one that I have right now, or I can just mix it in with a more mattifying foundation. So for the most part, when I am traveling, which I don't travel a lot, but when I do go to LA, I do like to keep in consideration how the weather is going to be like. California is definitely more on the colder side, I want to say. Like it does tend to get cold and my face does tend to dry out a little bit more. So I feel like mixing in something very dewy like this with a more mattifying foundation is just going to give me the perfect finish. Moving on to eyeshadows, I am going to be taking this right here. This, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen. So this is my custom Z palette. It's a very tiny Z palette. It has the perfect shades that I like for like an everyday kind of go-to. It has my warm tones, it has my ricotta shades right here, it has 3 shimmery shadows, and I feel like that's all I need to create a simple look or to create like a nighttime look. I feel like this is just perfect, and this is what I take in my makeup travel bag. Also, I was eyeing this palette for so many years when it launched, and it looks something like this. And as you guys can see, I decided to create my own Z palette with affordable eyeshadows, so it kind of looks pretty much identical. After a couple years, I did get this one, but I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that they look pretty much like the same. I'm also going to be traveling with my contour stick. This is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F12. I just use this to warm up my skin. I've been using it for years now, and I really like it. So another contour and highlight product is the Shade and Light palette. I'm pretty sure if you guys see my Get Ready With Me's that I've been obsessing over this. This is in the shade Lyric, and I usually use this to carve out my cheekbones or highlight underneath of my eyes. It depends how I'm feeling. And I use Shadow Play to give me some warmth on my skin. It's probably excessive to a lot of you guys, but I do take 2 more bronzers slash contours. So I also like to take the Morphe one just because this is a little bit more on like the neutral side. It's not too red, it's not too orange, it's also not too warm. I feel like it's the perfect one. This one is in the shade Icon. And then obviously my Ride or Die, which, hello, I cannot live without this product. I feel like if I were to travel and I don't take it with me and I need it, you know what I mean? Like, let's say I'm doing like a full glam beat and I really need my bronzer, then this is it right here. This one has more of a red undertone, which is not for a lot of people, but I promise you guys that it just looks intense in the pan. It's not too intense. It's what I'm wearing right now. Actually, both of these is what I'm wearing right now. And as you guys can see, I love it. For an intense beat, even for a more natural beat. For lip liners, I'm taking the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Cafe. And then I'm also taking Morphe in Sweet Tea. You guys know that Sweet Tea is my Ride or Die. For lipsticks, I'm taking the Kat Von D in the shade Lolita in case I want something a bit more mauve. My everyday go-to right now is Sweet or Posh by Galactic. So these are very long-lasting liquid lipsticks. They almost remind me of the Jeffree Star formula in the sense that they're matte, but they're not drying on the lips. They also last a really, really, really long time. The lipstick that I am taking is Naked by Kylie Cosmetics. So the reason why I'm taking Naked is because this is a nude, like a true nude, like a complete nude. Watch, I'll show you guys. It is so freaking beautiful. It's a nude with like a beige undertone, not a pink one, which is what I like. I like my nudes to be more on the beige side or like the brown side than a pink undertone. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll pair this with a dark lip liner like the ones I'm taking and it looks beautiful. I'm also taking eyelash glue in case I need to apply lashes or whatever, and the lashes that I'll be most likely taking are going to be the Salon Perfects in the style 614. You guys know that I like those. They're natural, but they're long and wispy and they're flared towards the end, so I feel like they're perfect for a dramatic look or for something more everyday. I'm also taking my 4th Rate Beauty Remedy serum. I have been trying this out. I usually use this as a moisturizer. A product that I recently discovered, you guys, is the eyebrow gel by e.l.f. I was at Ulta the other day and I usually use the NYX one, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen here on my channel. And the NYX one is just like, what, $6-7 bucks, probably like $8. And I was like, you know what? I'm looking for an eyebrow gel that's not too expensive, but that's going to do the job. And let me tell you that if you want your brows to stay locked in place, this right here works magic, you guys. This is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Clear Gel. Also taking the Lash Princess Sculpted Volumizing Mascara. It's perfect if I don't want to apply lashes. This just gives me the volume that I need. And the wand is tiny, so it's perfect for my top and my bottom lashes as well. For blush, I'm pretty sure it's no surprise. The Catrice blush boxes in Golden Coral is my go-to blush at the moment. Also for concealer, you guys, the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer and the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. Once more matte, once more on the hydrating side. I like to mix both. Sometimes it depends how I'm feeling. That's why I do like to take both. I am taking my Collab Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Powder in the shade Porcelain Ivory to set my skin completely. This is a mattifying powder. It's going to set your makeup beautifully. I have a review on it. It also just blurs your skin. It blurs your pores. It just makes my makeup last a really long time and I really like it. I'm also taking the LA Girl Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. This is my Holy Grail pomade to dupe for the Anastasia one, so check it out. For primer, I'm only taking the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Pretty Fresh Primer. Ever since I tried this in my review video, I fell in love with it, you guys. Also, for the majority of the products, I do have individual reviews in case you're interested, but I love this stuff. And I'm also taking their Hyaluronic Setting Mist. The reason why I'm taking this is because if LA is just too cold for my skin and my skin starts to get a little bit more on the drier side, I want something to bring back some oil, so that's the reason why I'm taking this right here. Highlighter, I'm taking the Forbidden Highlighter by Veramona. Ever since I tried this, I fell in love with it. It is a gold highlighter. It's what I'm wearing on my skin. As you guys can see, it can go super intense and you can also dim it down to a more natural glow. Really, all of the makeup products that I am taking, hopefully I didn't forget anything. Please remember that I have pregnancy brain right now, so if I forget something, you guys, let me know. But that's basically my go-to makeup at the moment, something that I'm going to trust, and that's what's in my makeup travel bag. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to make it quick, to the point. Let me know if you guys want to see my favorite eye brushes and face brushes. I use a lot of affordable brushes, so maybe that's a video that you guys would want to see and maybe take advantage of. Let me know what is one of your drugstore go-to products. I am all in for the drugstore right now, so if you have a go-to drugstore product that you are like ride or die and you haven't seen it on my channel and you probably don't think I use it, please let me know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that I upload 3 times a week, every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.